Hi there, welcome to Quenza. I'm Hugo and I'm super excited to show you how easy it is to manage your clients in Quenza. Let's dive in and see exactly how it works. In your client list, you'll notice there's already one client with your name. This is a ready-to-use demo account that is automatically added to every workspace. The demo client allows you to experience the client app exactly as your clients would. For example, if you want to know what it's like for your clients to receive an activity, simply send an activity to this demo client. Then go back to the client list, click the Open button next to the name, and a new window will open with the client app ready to go. You're instantly logged in as your demo client. Now let me show you how you can add a real client. When you click Add Client, you'll see this simple form. You can add a profile picture and enter their basic information. Now here's where you have an important choice about how your client will interact with Quenza. Option 1. Invite them to create their own Quenza account. When you choose this, your client will receive an email invitation to set up their own account. This gives them full access. They can log in, communicate with you directly, receive and complete activities, and access any shared notes or files through the application. Here's what the invitation email looks like from their perspective. It explains that you've invited them to join Quenza and guiding them through the setup process. Now let's have a look at option 2, create a guest account. This adds the client to your personal workspace without sending them an invitation. You can still work with them and, for example, send them activities and programs, but they'll only be able to access them through email links. They won't have their own login to the platform. Once your client is added, here's what their profile looks like. You have all their details organized clearly on the left side. And you can always add more details to their profile. These tabs here give you access to everything related to this client. You can see their activities, their programs, tasks, and so on. The timeline on the right here shows their activity history. Basically everything your client has been doing in the past. This gives you a clear view of their engagement and progress. Over here you can see which professionals are working with this client. You can also manage the assignment of professionals here. And that's how client management works. Thanks for watching.